I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to deposit money into your Xfinity mobile account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Go to the Xfinity mobile website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password handy. Step 2. Navigate to billing. Once logged in, find the billing section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your payments and deposits. Step 3. Choose deposit option. In the billing section, look for the option to add funds or deposit money. Click on it to proceed to the payment screen. Step 4. Select payment method. Choose your preferred payment method, such as a credit card, debit card, or bank transfer. Enter the necessary details for the selected method. Step 5. Confirm and submit. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Sometimes, the payment may take a few minutes to reflect in your account, so don't you worry if it doesn't show up immediately. I hope this helps you get your deposit sorted out quickly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.